Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 10th, 2022. Monero has catapulted and skyrocketed the last couple of days. Now I'm here to answer this question. Is Monero still a buy? Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions. You guys can see this right there in front of you as to where we're looking for price to go. I'm going to show you all what I think Monero is going to do now. Is it still a buy, or should we kind of pull back and wait until the market drops a little bit further before it becomes a buy? Now, before I talk about all that, welcome to the channel. Yeah, if today's your first time seeing a video of someone actually dropping price predictions on a chart, giving you all the expectations of where price is going to go, you need to join that team. This is it. I'm here. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because I want to make sure everyone understands that you can actually get in a position and win. That's the edge that we have when we come in and trade these cryptocurrencies. So make sure you keep it locked in. All right, check this out. I did a video in Monero on February the 10th. It is still here. You guys can see it. All right, I did a video here in Monero looking for the price to go up. Now, I'm keeping it real. Like I said, I'm keeping it a buck. I'm gonna be fully transparent. The price in Monero did not go up. It went straight down. But you know what? I had a support area. Yes, I did. I identified a support area of around $135, right? I was telling you all then that that area can be support, and that is literally how low the market went. Now, I understand when the price went down from my video that I've done on February the 10th, right? I know you're nervous. I know you're scared, trying to figure out, oh man, he got this one wrong. No, not really. I should have expected, or at least extended, my support area from 166. It should have came all the way down here to 140. That's what I should have done, but I didn't do it. So yeah, you could catch me on that one. All right, but still, the anticipation of the strength that was talked about on the 10th of February actually came to pass the last couple of days. Yeah, so it's been about 30 days of us seeing the price in Monero trade below our entry point of around 185. Yeah, it's been about a month. But then the price in Monero catapulted in one day massively higher to $278 right there on March the 8th. So yeah, we got that 13.5% out the market. If you was able to time at the very top, let's not talk about 13.5%, because you could have got 50.5% on this day, March the 8th, 2022, just 2 days ago, 50%. All right, now that's done. That is over. Like I said, Monero led the market on that particular day to higher prices, right? Bitcoin did not even go up 28% that day. So now what? This is where the conversation is going to switch, because now I need to show you whether or not Monero is a buy or is it a sell, because what happened here on the 8th of March, and then what happened here on March the 9th, we got to talk about this. What does these 2 days resemble? That's a logical question, because we have to take note that a whole lot of volume came in on those 2 days. What happened? When you see this much volume, it stands out at you, meaning that the market, for one, was real active. Two, that means someone really came off of, or they bought more of this currency. That's it. So when we look at this volume in conjunction or in connection with these two price bars, you have to see what's going on. The market in Monero right here on the 8th of March saw a decent amount of volume, definitely higher than what we saw before. But the price closed off of the highs. What do you think happened? There's only two things that we can get into the market. Two, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Either you're going to buy or you're going to sell. That's it. What do you think the majority of the trades were on March the 8th? Yeah, they were selling. And then it bled on over into March the 9th right here. Just yesterday, the selling is still going on into the market in Monero. Now, I give you this credit. This high volume on this very small spread tells us that there was someone also in the market in Monero trying to buy it up. Yep. So now look at this. I'm zooming out the chart now. We should not be surprised that the market in Monero got rejected on this downtrend line. It did a fantastic job of trading above it for a couple of hours, but we came right back down below it. that still gives us the confirmation that Monero overall is still weak. We're still there. Nothing has changed, right? This market environment is still one of weakness. Like, keep it real. This is not what a bullish market looks like. This is a weak market, and it's telling you that you should not be looking to buy Monero right now. Take a look, right? Look at this on the 3-day. That even looks worse on this 3-day time frame. Look at this 3-day price bar right there. And here on the 3-day time frame, even by us closing in the next 12 hours and 50 minutes, if we close below 180, right, that is definitely an area of weakness for us. We would not be looking for Monero's price to go back up, because if we could not break up above 180 on all of this volume, something's wrong. That lets you know that there is mostly selling going on, and that you need to expect the price to continue to drop. This is Monero on the 5-day. Pretty much the same thing, right? Let's look at Monero here on the weekly. This is Monero on the 2 weeks. This is Monero on a 13-hour price bar. Okay. Now I want you all to see this on a 13-hour price bar. I'm gonna give it to you, and this could save Monero's price from falling any further. So when I give you this price prediction, keep your eyes open on this 160. It might be like 160 to 165. If the buyers come in around $165 to 160, guess what? Yeah, we might live on to see another day to where the market may actually continue to consolidate, even amongst all of the selling that occurred the last 2 days. Yeah, that could still happen. But we have to keep in line with this trend. We break this trend, you already know. Okay, so I'm looking for the price in Monero to at least come down to 165 to 160 at least. All right, so let me drop this for you real quick. It is back over to the daily, because we want to watch the price on a daily perspective, daily time frame. So the first area is 165 to 160, right? That's around 3.25% from where the price is right now in Monero. The next level, so it was 3.25 or around 6.5% that we can get out the market, depending on where the buyers come in at 165 or 160. Now, outside of that, okay, we need to anticipate Monero's price continuing to come down. And the second level is going to be here around 145, 150. It's around 13.25% movement to the downside. Okay, 13.25. So we have 165, 160. We have 150, 145. And then lastly, coming all the way back down to that support area that I talked about on February the 10th. Again, okay. Now this is it right now. But long term, concerning all this volume, and then we still get the weakness, and it still continues to bleed in this market for Monero, we're not even going to hold 140. But I'm not going to show you all that right now. I'm just going to play this here. This is our current expectation as to what we're looking forward to into the market in Monero, and I've given you reasons as to why this cryptocurrency is headed lower. All right, now it's your turn. Let me know, let the people know, what is your price target, what is your price prediction into the market in Monero. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.